Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure.
Today's story name is Santa's Snowy Train Ride. The night was bright. Santa Claus packed his sleigh with gifts. Ding-a-ling went the sweet sleigh bells. Ready, reindeer? Ho, ho, ho! Boomed Santa. But as they flew, a blizzard hit the winter wonderland. Oh no! The big sleigh got stuck in deep, thick snow. Santa looked up. He heard a little chug, chug, chug. Who was that? It was Zoomy, the tiny snow train. Zoomy was fast and red. Don't worry, Santa, said Zoomy. I can help. Hop aboard. Santa tied the gift sacks to the Zoomy's little car. Chug, chug, zoom, they were off. The train zoomed right past a gingerbread village. Everything smelled yummy and sweet. Tiny sparkle snowflakes began to fall. They twinkled like little stars. The friendly snowflakes lit the way through the dark forest. Suddenly, they saw a little sweet white face. It was Frosty, the giggling snowman. He was waving and smiling big. Merry Christmas, giggled Frosty. He pointed his stick arm to a glowing green Christmas tree. The train sped up. The snowflakes said, "Faster, faster!" Zoomy, the train went super fast. Santa called out, "Ho, ho, ho! Almost there." He got the gift sack ready for the first house. Just in time, Zoomy made it. Santa jumped off, dropped the gifts, and waved goodbye. Merry Christmas to all. The tiny train saved the night. That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. Bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye bye.